Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Villa. Today we will understand the important values to raise children. Every parent wants their kids to be exceptional. Thus, we need to equip them with the values and lessons that will help them to grow stronger and become successful in life. So let's take a look at 10 moral values that every parent must teach their children. First, kindness. There is no greater value to teach our children than a value of kindness. Kindness does not turn our children into sappy pushovers, it turns them into classy people. We must teach our children that all people have value. As parents, we should create an emotional environment of kindness that is contagious to the children we are raising. Kindness will take our children further in life than any other human characteristic. Second, responsibility. For our children to be and feel successful, we must parent them to understand that whatever happens in their life or career, the best path to follow is always to take responsibility for the outcomes, both positive and negative, which are the result of their efforts. Third, honesty. From a young age, honesty should be instilled as one of the most important values for kids. Honesty is always the best policy, and your child must be encouraged to tell the truth regardless of whatever happens she may have committed. Fourth, respecting religion. Your child should be brought up not just to respect his own religion, but also to understand that every person has the right to choose his/her religion. Teach your children from a young age that all humans are equal, regardless of their religion or the festivals they celebrate. Fifth, family. Family is an integral part of kids' life. It shapes and nurtures them into adults. Therefore, it is important to give your children a sense of family and help them understand why family is important. Do that and it's more likely your children will grow up respecting and loving their family through thick and thin. Sixth, respect. Many parents make the mistake of teaching their children only about respect for elders, but that is wrong. Everyone deserves respect regardless of age or social standing. Respect is an essential moral value that your child must know about at a young age, as it plays an important role in his/her behavior around strangers and elders. Toddlers that learn to respect their peers and elders from a young age will benefit from this in the future. Seventh, reward good behavior. Come up with a system where you reward your child for using these values in his or her life. Praise and rewards are positive reinforcement that works incredibly well in shaping children. Eighth, time management. Success is deeply rooted in having exceptional time management skills. We must teach our children to get their most important tasks accomplished first. It is also important to teach our children to be on time or early to all commitments. No one likes dealing with people who are chronically late. Ninth, teamwork. To be successful, our children must understand the value that others hold in their lives. We must teach them that fundamental to happiness and success are healthy, supportive, and successful relationships. We must encourage our children to get involved in extracurricular activities and give them chores and responsibility in the home. It is essential we also involve ourselves in their lives. The value of teamwork keeps our children from being self-centered. 10th, gender equality. From an early age, children get bombarded by gender stereotypes. Tell your daughter that it's okay for her to like blue. Tell your son it's okay to cry when he is hurting physically or emotionally. Children need to recognize the difference between boys and girls is only physical. Explain from an early age that boys and girls can do the same things. So friends, these are the moral values that every parent must teach their children. So friends, if you liked my video, then don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe my channel. I will come up with more motivating videos. Thanks for watching.